Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lower dish rack on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new lower dish rack for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's lower dish rack supports and organizes dishes to ensure proper cleaning and water circulation during wash cycles. If it is damaged, broken, or starts to rust, your dishes may become misaligned and unstable. Additionally, any accumulated rust can damage or stain your dishes. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, fully extend the bottom dish rack. Next, lift the silverware basket assembly up and out. Then, remove the lower dish rack by lifting it up and out. Then, press firmly on the retaining tabs holding the lower basket roller in place. This will require some force. Repeat until all 8 rollers are removed. If you need to purchase a new lower dish rack, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. The lower dish rack does not come with the silverware basket or the lower wheels. When replacing it, you'll need to transfer them to the new dish rack or buy new ones. To install, start by seating one of the lower basket roller assemblies onto the wire rack while ensuring the retaining tabs align to the adjacent vertical bar. Then, press firmly into place, repeating this step until all the wheels are installed. Next, align the wheels on the lower dish rack to the grooves on the door and set it into place. Next, align the retaining tabs on the basket assembly to the right side of the lower dish rack and set into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.